If you like console gaming and you want such experience on a PC, then you just need a gamepad. And this is a gamepad which is really cheap in price. So without any further ado, let's have a look at it. So this is the Quantum QHMPL gamepad for PC, coming in at just 250 rupees or less, and this is probably the cheapest gamepad on the market. So I was curious about how would it perform, and that's what we are gonna find out today. So first off, let's have a look at the build and design. And this is totally made out of plastic, and seriously it feels like a toy in the hand. All the buttons and sticks feel good and a little bit tactile, but nothing special here. By the way, you can't even comment on that for the price. Moving ahead, the cable is long and thick, which is good as you might want to sit on a distance and play games. So this was the build and design. You also get a CD for installing the drivers with the gamepad, and it's easy and fast to install. Here's a look at the software of this gamepad. The software helps you to check that the buttons and sticks are working properly or not, which is really handy and good to have. The most important part here is compatibility, and this gamepad only works on PC and not natively on Android, and that's kind of a bummer because you need to root your phone and install some apps in order to use it and whatnot. But that's just because it's meant for PC, and mostly all titles like NFS, Call of Duty, Assassin's Creed, Prince of Persia, etc. work on these, so you are covered. And here's the gameplay of me playing the game NFS Underground on this gamepad. The worst part that this gamepad has is the vibration. The vibration motor is terrible in some situations, and mostly the vibration is too high and it's just not pleasant while gaming. It rattles a lot, and as you can see when I rotate the sticks it rattles, but you can consider it because you cannot expect the Xbox controller or PS4 DualShock controller level of vibration in this 250 rupees gamepad. So we arrive to this question: should you buy it or not? And my answer is yes. If you can't go over that budget, then you must buy this without a doubt. I hope you enjoy gaming on that. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comments below. And that wraps it up for this video. If you like it, please do hit the like button. You can go ahead and buy this gamepad. I will have the links in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And subscribe for more such content, guys. You can also watch my other videos. Bye for now.